Hello. Well, it's been a while since I had a video. We have two brood boxes now instead of one. The colonies are growing, so we have to give them more room. That's the two brood boxes. Today we're going to look at these broods and see if we can put a super on. We're also going to look and see if they are thinking about swarming, because if they don't have enough room, they'll want to swarm. Last video I shot, I put new hive stands on and everything. I had to pull everything down, and it ended up being way too long. A lot of bees up here. Here we go. There's been a lot of activity up here. Oh, they're building big time. You want to make sure the queen's coming up to this upper box and laying. Really want to see that. I've already done the other hive, the last strum, and that hive is exploding. I have a super on. The supers are the boxes that I can get honey from. There's a big old drone right here on top. And Coach says it's looking like right now that I'll be getting honey my first year. It's been that kind of a season. So, let's have a look. Oh my goodness, this is so heavy I can't even get it out of there. So now what you're looking at here, all up here, this is all honey. The queen's been up. She's laying right there. Those are capped off. So this is good. A lot of honey though. This side here is entirely honey. That's all honey. See the white caps? And all below is honey also. There's two drones. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 drones. This is very heavy. I bet this weighs 10 pounds. But she's been up. She's been up here laying. They got some cells capped off. So I put holders down here. You can't see them. I'll put this on a holder. Okay, that's good. Let's see what else we've got going on. Not quite so. Oh, she's up and doing her job. There's a ton of drones there. Another half dozen or more, but we're capping up here. The brown caps are baby bees. The white caps are honey. So, a lot of drones. I don't know what that means. I'm not seeing that in the other hive. If you see any of these big bees, like this guy here, that's a drone. But all down here, that's brood. I can see the larvae. We're looking very good. The white is all honey. We already know our queen's busy. She's up in this box. That's good. we're filled right to the outside, so we're probably going to put a super on. We have to give them more room so that they don't want to swarm. They run out of room, they make a queen, and half of them go with the queen. Oh, we better look. Looks like a peanut down there. Oh, there she is. Okay, that's my queen. Can you see her? Right in front of my finger. That's the queen. Let's get her back in. And she's doing a good job. The other one's doing a crazy good job, but this girl's doing just fine. They've had a lot this year. It's been a good season to start. Look at that. She's doing a wonderful job. See, remember now, the golden, that's all baby bees. The white is honey for feeding. You've seen that queen. Lots of larvae. Oh, yes. Lots of bees. Look at that. See all the brood? This is very good. All that golden is going to be bees. Okay. Now she's in this top box. I really don't want to pull it down. I forgot to look at that clump on the bottom. Again, lots of brood. Ton of brood. See all the golden? What's that down there? See, we're looking for stuff like this. Make sure that's not a queen cell. It is. So we're going to pop that off. Put it back. See, I'll make a new queen and half of them will go. I think it was this one where we needed to look again. Yeah, right here. See, that's a possible queen cell, so we'll take that off. We'll put the super on. That'll keep them from doing any more of that. They're getting full. This hive's catching up to the other one now. Oh my. Look at the brood, see? Again, all the golden is baby bees. And up around the top is honey being stored for eating. Lots of larvae. Lots of brood. Excellent. Okay. Oh, this lady, she was slow in the beginning, but she's really doing a bang-up job now. Look at that. I already explained to you what you're looking at. You can see it all. There's a ton. There's a lot of bees in this hive. Down below, I see a lot of bees. They're very calm today. Again, brood is looking good. Slowing down a little bit towards the outside. They're building though, and she's been out there. I don't know if you can see it. This one here, see the orange pollen on the legs? Orange pollen on the legs. They're bringing it in. If you look at the back legs, you might be able to see that. There's a lot of it. In the other hive yesterday, I saw babies being hatching out. That was pretty cool. This hive is just loading right up. We're in here none too soon. So we're looking just fabulous. Yep. We will put on a super today. This is a flow hive. It has the special tappable supers. I'm not going to show you a lot. If you want to see that, look it up on the internet. They'll take up way too much. They do a better job than I could. That's all there is to it. My new friend, who's invited me to his acreage to keep bees, his wife just bought him one of these. She's excited for him because he's got a new playmate and cool things going on. So I'm not going to mention his name yet because I haven't asked him if I can. He might want to keep his secret identity. He's a very nice man. It was very nice of him to invite me out. I'm going to have to set this box off and adjust the camera. I'm going to shut the camera off. We'll do this in 2 parts because I don't want the video so long that I can't get it on YouTube. So we'll get ready to put these guys aside. I'll take care of that and we'll look at the next box together.